how to fly. So here we're going to do an experiment. That's our first thing we're going to do. So this thing right here, this is heat. Everyone's got to stay away from it because it's going to be hot in a minute. Every good experiment has fire. You know that, right? It's a little more fun. If you put your hair in front of it, it'll catch on fire. What do you think happened to me? Whoop. You see it going?
Sorry.
That's burning. Okay? Can you guys see it? Okay.
Just stay there,
now
though.
stay in your seat.
Yeah.
Hands in your lap.
Okay, so here we have our hot air balloon. Okay? Now, this hot air balloon might look a lot like a cleaner's bag, because that's what it is, but it's close enough, right? So now what are we going to do? Okay, see where the air is going? You got to do this carefully or it'll catch on fire. That would get us all in trouble. Well, me in trouble anyway. Okay, here we go. Okay, what's it doing? It's filling up, isn't it? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, you ready? Okay, now listen, I got to have everyone in on this. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, and you guys say go. You ready?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go! All right. Aren't you glad you weren't in that balloon?
Yeah. Yeah.
You want to do it once more?
Yeah.
So we're filling that up with Montgolfier gas. But later we found out it was hot air, right? So here we're still going on with the lesson while we're doing this, right? If you can think, if you got your thinking brains on and all. So here we go. We got to fill it up with hot air.
Adult supervision.
And what happens here? Let's talk about this from a scientific point of view. Hot air is lighter than cold air. So it wants to rise. So it wants to go up. So as long as we have hotter air, it always wants to go up. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! All right, there we go.
Yeah, that was a good one.
All right.
Oh.
Okay,
Oh, that was
our
good.
plane.
That was good.
So, now, if you want to fly to Disneyland in this balloon, we can fill it up with hot air, and what happens? Well, it goes up. It goes up. But how do you make it go to Disneyland?
How do you control it?
It just sort of can. You can maybe get it at a different height and catch a different wind and stuff, but it's not very good. It doesn't work very well. So what the townspeople did in the area is they said, well, let's try gas insulator in there, like helium or hydrogen, and put that in a balloon and see if that works. So they did that, and they made a test, and they flew it up, and everyone was all excited. They landed 15 miles away. 15 miles away, the people didn't know what was going to happen. They didn't know about it because they didn't have telephones. They had no way to tell them. And so suddenly this big thing came out of the heavens and landed in their town.